Today I made this hatch green chili stew. I ended up using pork for this instead of ground beef like I normally use, and it came out so delicious. Let me show you how I made it. I'll be using these boneless ribeye chops. They were on sale, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to just be dicing these into smaller pieces. You can use as much or as little as you want, depending how much you're going to feed. And once they are diced up, I'm going to add some olive oil to my pan. And then I'm going to start cooking this pork. I'm going to give it a quick mix and then add some diced onion and some minced garlic. Use as much or as little as you want. Give it another quick mix, and then I'll be adding in all my seasonings. I will have what I used written down for you, but you can use whatever you like. After I added all that, I'm going to give it another quick mix. And then to this, I'm going to add some diced tomato and then some diced hatch green chili. Once again, add as much or as little as you want. Give that a quick mix. I'm going to add enough water. If you have chicken stock, add that. I think it gives it better flavor. I didn't have any on hand, so I just used water. I'm adding some chicken and some tomato knorr. I'm going to give that another quick mix. Cover and let that cook until the meat is nice and tender. Meanwhile, I'm going to start mashing up some refried beans. I love to have beans with this dish. It just goes perfect. Checking on my chili stew. Once the meat has cooked, add in some diced potatoes. And then I do like to add a little bit of Chef Merito. I love that stuff. It is so good for anything. Give that another quick mix, cover, and let that cook until the potatoes are softened. And that's it. This hatch green chili stew is so easy to make, and it is super delicious. You're going to want to make this, especially right now that it has kind of cooled down here in Arizona. This was perfect for today. I'm going to serve it up, but let me put you on to something. I made some hatch green chili and cilantro corn tortillas to go with this. You're going to want to make that. It was the perfect thing to eat for today. I already have that recipe up for you. I'm just going to add the beans right on top of there with the tortilla, and that's it. That's all you need. This was a perfect meal for today. Save this recipe. Enjoy.